We'll guide you through how to configure a domain on Netlify. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Netlify dashboard. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the site you want to configure a domain for. On the site's dashboard, look for the Domain Settings section, which is usually on the left-hand side menu. Click on it. Here, you'll see an option to add a custom domain. Enter the domain name you want to use. Netlify will check if this domain is available for use. If it's available, you can proceed. If you already own this domain, you'll need to update your DNS settings with your domain registrar. Netlify provides DNS instructions to point your domain to their servers. Typically, you'll need to add an alias or a name record for the root domain and a CNAME record for the www subdomain pointing to Netlify's default domain. This might take some time to propagate, so be patient. After updating the DNS settings, return to Netlify and verify the domain. Netlify will automatically install an SSL certificate for your domain, ensuring it's secure. Once the domain is verified, it will become active on your site. You can now access your site using your custom domain. It's always a good idea to test the domain in your browser to make sure everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully configured a domain on Netlify. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.